Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey friends! Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute hippo standing in nature. So grab your markers or crayons and let's get started. First, I draw a big face and two big eyes to make it look extra cute.
Yes!
Then, I draw the hippo's ears right on top of its head.
Wow!
Next, I draw the body shape. Nice and round. Woo! Now, I add the legs and feet underneath. After that, I draw the nose and some small teeth poking out. Let's add the ground below and some grass around the hippo. Then, I draw fluffy clouds above.
Wow!
And finally, I draw a small sky behind everything to complete the scene. Now it's time to color. I use magenta and red to color the face, ears, and body. For the ground, I use brown and maroon. I use green to color the grass. Then, I color the sky with light blue.
Oh yeah!
And to finish everything, I go over the lines with a black marker to make the drawing pop and look super neat. And that's it. Our cute hippo drawing is all done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and colorful drawings. See you next time. Bye.